So the process that you did is okay. Yeah, the carbon paper sometimes because may ruin the painting because of the blue color. Try using instead of carbon paper, there's a charcoal paper which is very close to carbon paper. That is something which you can use, or else the process that you used is also fine. Now let's look at the Bob's image as per the description and the color chosen. So okay. So it's good that you picked two contrast colors, orange versus blue, and the skin color would again go towards the orange side. So overall, I think it's a very well thought, and it was a very difficult reference with all these smaller details. But I think you nailed it, especially the face is looking good. The hair could be a little more worked upon, but like these lines, these black lines could be more neat in terms of the edges. Apart from that, I think it's looking like his it's totally relating to his personality, and maybe a little more details. I think you worked most on the face, so which is great. And then the background is okay. The hair, the neck part could be a little more, you could have slowed down the process. So, but I think it's like you said, it's a great technique to paint portraits, and even the Obama's portrait for election is done with the same technique. So you can explore more images, and maybe you can also think of adding colors on the portrait. Not this one, but in future if you like this technique and if you continue doing it. So overall, a good work.